Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're getting ready to do some spray foam on the new shop. So we've been working the last week or two here getting everything ready to do spray foam at the new shop. Tore all the old insulation off the walls. There was some styrofoam and fiberglass insulation. We're going to leave, it's got styrofoam and fiberglass on the ceiling as well that looks like it's still in pretty decent shape, so we're going to leave all that there. So we just tore off all the walls. So we're going to do spray foam just on the walls in just this room. It's probably one of the dirtiest, nastiest things I've had to do, tearing out that old insulation with 50 years worth of dirt and who knows what else built up on it, but we got it all out. We had them bring in a big 30-yard roll-off dumpster and filled it about 3/4 of the way full in just one day. So there was a lot to do, a lot to tear out, but got it all cleaned up, everything stripped down, dusted down, blown off. So should be all ready to go to get some spray foam in. So hopefully these guys will show up here today and we can get going. So the spray foam guys showed up the other day, did a great job getting the spray foam put down. We did 1 inch of closed cell spray foam, which for this building, that's gonna be plenty. We're not planning on keeping this thing super hot in the winter or really cold in the summer. You know, it is gonna be heated and air conditioned. So we wanted some insulation, but we didn't need to go just crazy with it. So 1 inch is going to be great. I went back and painted it with just some bright white paint to really help lighten it up in here. So the 8-foot LED lights that you see, I found those on Amazon. You know, they're a little bit expensive, but they're a 6K, super bright. The only bad side was you had to order a box of 20, which luckily I actually needed 18 lights, so you know, ordering a box of 20 was just about right. I've got 2 extras that I'll probably end up using later on here. So really bright. Between the lights and the white paint, it really helped brighten this place up quite a bit. So no matter where I'm at, I've got plenty of light to shoot video on anything that I want to or see what I'm working on. So really glad I went with that decision there to get the LEDs and to do the white paint on top of the spray foam. So we still got a little ways to go yet. We've got a couple of doors to get put in, a little bit of work to do here and there, but overall we were done enough that I could start moving some of my shop equipment into this side of the building. The other side with the storage area, it's still got a little ways to go yet. I've got to do some painting and some lighting and stuff over there, get some shelves moved in. So still working on that side, but at least I was able to get moved into the shop side here, start getting some of the stuff done that I needed to over here. So really happy this project's finally coming along. So just wanted to give you guys a little update for this week. And if you're enjoying this build, hit the like button, subscribe, and keep checking back. We've got some more videos coming. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.